What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys had an awesome long weekend, although you can't do much, diba? Kasi pandemic, but hey, still hope you had an awesome long weekend guys. And we're back at it again with another vlog. It's Tuesday, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi birthday ni Papa. So in today's vlog, samahan nyo ako. Alright? What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm on my way to Octane kasi I've been dealing the EJ1 lately, and kahapon I went to Lipas. It was raining, so syempre nagdumi yung ilalim, yung mga size, the whole car got dirty. So ngayon papalinis tayo. It's gonna be a car wash porn vlog for you guys. Lilinisin natin yung EJ1. Good morning guys. So nandito tayo sa Octane. Yan, papasok na ni Bossing yung EJ1 ko. Uy! Kinta pa din, no? Kahit madumi. What's up guys? So hindi naman siya masyadong madumi. Konti lang, at least maagapan. Look at the tranny, sobrang linis. Lagi kong nililinis yan. Wait natin pag nalinis na kung ano magiging itsura. Yummy, wala pang gasgas. Woo! Kaya sobrang ingat ko lagi guys, lalo na sa mga humps, lubak. Sayang yung paint. Sana hindi umulan. Look at the clouds. What's up guys? Chill muna ako sa lounge nila. Hella sleepy. Rest muna ako. I'm not gonna show you yung kina-car wash yung EJ1 because you get the point, right? There it is. Chill muna ako dito guys. Nandito yung EF. Tapos merong SIR. Kanin to kay Ken?
Raffle, kay Sir Vincent.
Ah, kay Vincent? Ay, ito pa raffle? Sarap. May paparaffle naman sila boss. SIR. Vacuum time. Alright, what's up guys? Done with the wash. Sobrang sarap ng chill ko sa lounge. Buti na lang umaraw. Time to go. What's up guys? So sana na-appreciate nyo yung underwash and kung ganong kalinis yung ilalim ng EJ1. So the question is, am I gonna bring it home and park it? Nope. Kasi I have a full tank of gas. Kung magpapalit ako ng sasakyan, magagasolina na naman ako, so magastos. Right now the gasoline is 62.15 I think, so ang mahal. So since full tank to, ito na muna yung gagamitin natin. Kung magdumi man, papalinis na lang, di ba? Pero it looks like it's not gonna rain anymore kasi it's sunny. Mahalaga na wala yung mga stains from yesterday, kasi the more na i-stain nyo yung dumi sa ilalim, lalo siya mag-sustain. So right after it rains, have it clean. This only applies pag pinturado yung ilalim nyo kasi sayang naman, diba? Pero kung naka-undercoat naman or under, what do you call it? Yung black? Undercoat, yeah, undercoat. Kung naka-undercoat, it's okay lang kahit din nyo linisin. In this case, painted siya. There's no rust proofing, so kailangan lagi malinis. Although I think, not sure kung ano yung ginamit ni Radical na paint, if it's rust proof, I don't know, we'll see. I'll ask them. So yeah, let's go. Clean check, weather check. So andito ako ngayon sa wash and dip. Visit ko lang si Jed. Padaling ko yung papers kasi I finally sold my NMAX. Woohoo! Busy sila oh.
What's up?
So tambay muna ako dito sa wash and dip kasi umulan. Damn. EJ1 is there. Buti na lang andito ako before it even rained. So here meron si Beshi Jed na dinidetail na CRV na black, which is really hard to detail, but look at that. Itong LC tapos na siya. Look at that, naka AP Racing pa na calipers, big brakes, wash and dip baby.
Ano pa lang naman yan? First ano pa lang yan?
So pag black pala talagang metallic, o mo?
First pass pa lang yan.
First pass. Rating from 1 to 10, gaano kahirap mag-detail ng black car, Besh?
Pinakamahirap is para sa akin ay white. Pero black kasi kitang-kita mo agad yung difference pag black. Pag white, hirap.
So mas mahirap palang white. Kasi sa
White,
black.
Saka silver.
Oh.
Mga silver na ganyan. Hirap yan. Kasi hindi mo makikita yung ano.
May bago na naman tayong learnings. So, why is that, Besh? Kung bakit ganun?
Madali kasing pakitabi ng black.
But, the fallback is hard to maintain. Yung pala.
Maintenance din ng black.
Easy to detail, but hard to maintain.
Kasi
Okay.
madali mo nga makikita yung ano, yung mga dapat mong alisin sa black.
Pag white, syempre, parang maduduling ka eh, di ba? Hindi makita. Hindi ko alam yun ah. So, mas mahirap pala itong white. Kaya pala nagtagal din itong LCD dito, Besh.
Nagtanggal pa ako ng ano dyan, parang pintura, overspray ng pintura.
Pero pag kuminta bang black, damn.
Mga
Jet black. Ang gamit. What's up guys? So I guess we're gonna end the vlog here. Hindi tayo inabot ng ulan. It's sunny again. So thanks for tuning in guys. See you tomorrow. Subscribe, road to 20k. Thank you so much. Ay, pagdating ko pala sa HQ natin, shoutout ko kayo guys from the last vlog. See you at the HQ. Back at the HQ guys. Time for a shoutout. Napark ko na yung EJ1. Safe from the rain. Alright, so basahin ko lang yung mga nag-comments. Shoutout ko yung mga nag-comments pala sa last video natin, which is the Supra video.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock. By the way guys, road to 20,000 tayo, so please subscribe. 19,896 na tayo. I can't wait for the 20k subs para makapag-giveaway na para sa inyo guys. So anyways, of course, want to give a shout out to Kevin Parayan. Coffee and DawgVlogs in the morning, best morning ever, you already know. Kay Gabriel Sarnosa, Gerardo Hufanda, Jonathan Rivera, Jobert Fermin, Primitive Life, Kyle Maglalang, Bricks Vlogs, Mark Marisigan, shout out bro, Dan Olfato, Patrick De Los Reyes, always tuning in, Yuan Ilustre. So kahapon, shoutout nga pala sa Auto Legends kahapon. Pinicturean nila yung EJ1 ko sa streets sa bayan. Quick story lang kasi gamit ni Christian yung daily beater pero I was in Lipa, so hindi daw mag-start. So I don't know why. So naghintay lang si Christian doon sa bayan, kaya ako na-picturean ni Auto Legends. Here, I'll show you guys the picture. Yan. So syempre, that Nissan guy, I already know what's up. So pagdating ko doon, so Christian was waiting lang for about an hour kasi galing pa ako pa. So pagdating ko doon, check ko, and then eventually yung socket maluwag lang. So sabi ko kay Christian, crank it up, and then boom, it started. That Nissan guy, baby. Napicturean pa ng nice shot. Kita niyo naman yung pics, di ba? So yeah, Jim Ken Hernandez, AR Cabale, shoutout sa'yo bro. Aldrin Luis Sanguyo, Clavin Irana, Ronald Casa, shoutout sa'yo bro. Kanya pala yung Regas dun sa Washington. Roylyn James Muong, Alien Masagka, Carlo Caega, Ron Rick Leron, shoutout. Jomari Bartolome, pa-vlog daw ng Altis. We'll see bro. I usually just feature car, I don't actually review the car. Fini-feature ka lang para ma-showcase nyo, we'll find an Altis. Stay tuned. So, John Albert Eliscu Pedez, shoutout. Walking Balloon, shoutout. Seth Daniel San Pedro, of course. Crystal Latayan, shoutout. Eric Esmas, Epis on Base, and Cesar Eduard Soltes. Shoutout sa'yo bro. And shout out to all the viewers from Mindanao. Meron dito actually. Pahad Mudley ni Jeffrey. Alright, so that's his YouTube account. Shout out from Cagayan de Oro City po of Mindanao. Shout out sa you, bro. Thanks for tuning in. Much love from your boy Dog. Keep subscribing and comment lang kayo para sa 20k sub giveaway. So dito tayo sa HQ. We got my Nismo flag. All the diecast. Follow nyo ako sa Instagram is DawgVlogs043. Sa TikTok, DawgVlogs043. If you guys want to buy some diecast and JDM toys from the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s, madami ako. So, yeah. Peace out. See you on the next vlog, which is tomorrow. Maybe. Pag hindi busy. You already know. DawgVlogs, baby. Peace.